Hello everyone, welcome back. When you open an iPhone camera for taking photo, it looks brighter, but when you capture the photo, it become a dark. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please do like, share, and subscribe. Now we are going to change some setting in camera app. Launch settings, scroll, find and tap on camera. Here we have to turn off the HDR. Now turn off HDR, then we are going to tap on preserve setting and turn off live photo as well. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. And also tap on settings, journal, software update, and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Then tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. In the end, what we have to do, we have to go back to journal, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again, reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.